Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the adapter and device ready. Start by identifying its connector type and compatibility, because that determines signal path and power needs. First, power on the host device and set volume to about 20–30% to avoid loud transients. Then plug the adapter firmly into the port until it seats. If it's USB-C, orient and insert gently to avoid damage. Once done, attach headphones or cable. You're ready for the next steps that configure signal routing and quality. Next, you configure how audio flows and why it matters. Open your device's sound settings and explicitly select the adapter as the output so the OS routes audio correctly. If your app or driver lets you choose sample rate and bit depth, pick 44. 1kHz/16-bit for music or higher for professional work. This affects fidelity and CPU load. Also enable exclusive or low latency mode when recording or gaming, because it reduces buffering and improves sync. Make adjustments until you finish by validating the connection. Play several tracks and spoken audio to check frequency response, stereo balance, and background noise so you know the adapter performs across content. If audio is intermittent, reset the adapter or host device, reseat connectors, and swap cables to isolate the fault. These steps often find loose contacts. Finally, make sure firmware and drivers are current. If problems continue, test with another device to determine whether the adapter or the host is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.